In the literature, there are many papers linking early childhood outcomes with in utero shocks. Generally, they will have one limitation: biological factors get tangled with changes in parental inputs. In this paper, co-authored with Alex Armand, we address this limitation. We examine exogenous variation in the ocean's productivity due to ocean acidification, a direct consequence of climate change. This provides a unique setting for two reasons. Mothers do not observe the shock. And then it provides an opportunity to examine the role and the impact of prenatal nutritional deprivation, because acidification produces changes in fish stocks. Specifically, what we do is we estimate the impact of the ocean's acidity in early childhood mortality outcomes and development at a global scale. We'll look at 1.5 million births across 36 developing countries in the last 50 years. We compare children that were born in the same location but on different dates, and we control for a demanding set of high-dimensional fixed effects to take into account local trends and local seasonality. We find that a 0.01 increase in acidity causes 2 additional neonatal deaths per 1,000 live births. This change in acidity is just 3% of what the IPCC expects by the end of the century. We can also say that the effect is strictly related to reduced access to nutrients during gestation. That's because we find no evidence of changes in other inputs. Also, it selectively affects the weakest children. Of course, all of these findings are just the first step to understanding how changes in the ocean's chemistry affect human activity and human behavior.